This year's West African Mining Power Exhibition and Conference was under the theme Advancing a Legacy of Sustainable and Responsible Mining Through Innovation and Partnerships. The platform gave the players opportunity to showcase their modern sustainable technological products in Accra. Some participants say the three-day exhibition has ended successfully and enabled them to broker deals which is in sync with the growth prospects of their companies. The communication manager for Nesra, Mr. Nanayaw Ampemdakwintri, said mining companies should continually use products which will enhance the health and safety of their employees and the people in their catchment areas.
Over the years, our core competencies have been giving value-added services and then giving top-notch solutions to problems that arise or maybe the needs of the mining sector. As channel partners to world-class top brands to offer top-notch solutions to the mining sector in the area of safety and security, power tools, generators. We have Schneider ABB that provide conductors and auto panels.
Sustainable mining also demands that players in the industry adhere to practices that seek to reduce carbon emissions.